Taste is really important, and the different sensory aspects of food are really important. Taste and smell is part of that. One of the most underrated aspects is texture. So
Okay.
I've tended to find that a really high proportion of avoidant habits relate to difficulties with texture rather than to taste or smell. And in fact, quite often with a lot of selective eaters, I see sensory seeking around taste and smell, but sensory avoidance around texture.
Tell us a bit more about what textures are the ones likely to produce an aversive reaction.
A simple answer: complex textures.
Give me
So
an
that
example of
might,
a food or a snack or a meal that would have a
yeah.
complex texture then versus a simple one.
So the classic one would be cereal with milk or cereal without milk. So cereal with milk would have some mushy bits and crunchy bits and some liquid bits, whereas dry cereal would be dry and crunchy, and then the glass of milk separately would just be liquid. So the ability to cope with multiple textures together is one issue. Another example might be soup, where somebody might find blended soup fine, but they might find the same flavor as soup, but with vegetables or meat floating in it, quite difficult to handle in terms of multiple textures from liquid to soft solid to firmer solid, sort of moving around in the mouth at the same time. Similarly, it might be within an individual food. So, for example, if you think about the process of biting into something like a cherry tomato, as the skin bursts and the jelly and the seeds come out and you bite through the flesh, setting aside the fact that the taste is quite complex, the
Mm,
texture is very complex.
yeah.
Less so with a well-known brand of cream of tomato soup.